Hello students, welcome to PB CBSE Maths. Today in this video we are going to solve a problem which is from exercise 4.1 second main fourth question. The question is a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find out the speed of the train. To find the solution, we are going to use a formula that is distance is always equals to speed into time. So let's try to substitute these values in this formula. This formula can be rewritten as time is equals distance divided by speed. So let's take time as y hours and let's take that speed of the train as x kilometer per hour. We already have the distance which is equals to 480 kilometers. So let's try to find out the solution by substituting these values in this formula. So let's consider time as y hours. So that train takes y hours to cover the distance of 480 kilometer at the speed of x kilometer per hour. Now, if the speed of that train is 8 kilometer per hour less, that is, if the speed of the train reduced 8 kilometer per hour, then it says that it will take 3 more hours to cover the same distance. So the time duration of the journey will be increased if the speed is reduced. So at one side we have y is equals 480 divided by x. On the other side speed is reduced, so the duration of journey is increased. We can rewrite this equation as y is equals to 480 divided by x minus 8 minus 3. Let's consider it as equation 1 and this as equation 2. In equation 1 and equation 2, LHS are same, so we can equate these RHS. By doing that, we can write 480 by x equals 480 divided by x minus 8 minus 3, or simply just shift this term to other side of the equal, then we can have 480 by x minus 480 by x minus 8 is equals to minus 3. Let's simplify it. LCM is going to be x times x minus 8. So here we can multiply by x minus 8 and here we have to multiply it by x. Then by doing that we can write 480 into x, that is you are going to get 480x. 480 into minus 8 you are going to get minus 3840. Then this minus we have 480x divided by we have x times x minus 8 equals to minus 3. Minus 480x and plus 480x get cancelled, then we are left with minus 3840 is equals to minus 3 times of x times of x minus 8. Let's multiply this with these two terms. Minus 3840 is equals to minus 3x into x, you're going to have minus 3x square. Minus into minus, you're going to get plus 3x into 3x into 8, you're going to get 24x. Now let's shift these two terms to other side of the equal. Then we are going to have 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equals to 0. Now these three terms are the factors of 3, so let's divide each and every term by 3. By doing that, we can write here as 3 get cancelled here. So we can write x square here. Here also 3 ones are 3, 8s are. So we get here minus 8x. Then here you can cancel 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 twos are, then 3 eights are, and this 0 as it is. So here you get a minus 1280 equals 0 divided by 3. You are going to get a 0. Now we have a quadratic equation. Let's try to simplify this using factorization by splitting the middle term method. Then we can write a x square minus 40x plus 32x minus 1280 is equals to 0. Minus 40x plus 32x gives us minus 8x. Then minus 40 into plus 32 gives us minus 1280. Now let's factorize the equation and let's factor out the common terms. So here we can factor out x. So here we are left with x in the first term and minus 40 in the second term. In these two terms, let's factor out plus 32. Then we are left with x in this term, and here we can write minus 40 is equal 0. Now we can write x plus 32 equals 0 or x minus 40 equals 0. X equals minus 32 or x equals 40. Since we consider x as the speed of the train, speed cannot be negative. So we have to consider this as the speed of that train. So speed of the train is going to be 40 kilometer per hour. That is the solution. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.